All right, what's up? In today's video, as you can see by the title, I just want to jump to the point, and I'll go ahead and share my screen, and I'll walk you guys through step by step how to, how to have one of these right here on the screen. And other than beside that, maybe I'm guessing you just want to have a public profile, which is for your business, for literally for anything else. Now I'll go ahead and jump to my laptop and I'll show you guys how to get it and how to excuse me, and how to set up. Other than that, here I'll go ahead and let's see. All right, as you guys can see now on my screen, and so first what you need to do, you're gonna want to have if you already have an existing Snapchat account, public profile, you're gonna have to delete that one. So delete that one, forget about that one. So and now you're gonna want to create new email. I suggest to create new email. Have a new email. Have a separate email for this. Now you're gonna see. Now what you want to search, you're gonna want to go ahead and search Snapchat business login. Okay, so when you click Snapchat business login, you will have this right here. Okay, you have this option right here. It says a login in Snapchat, and then you should have public profile. So other than that, you just go ahead and straight out and click to public profile. It's totally free. You don't have to pay for it. So we are looking to this one right here where it says City Boutique. This is what we need right here. Create your public profile. This is what we need right here for business. So beside business, you can use as creator, literally any any benefits, whatever you want. So we're gonna want to go ahead and click create your public profile. So of course I'm already in. So even beside that, you just need to go ahead and click create profile. You can still click create profile. You should see this right here, and just click create Snapchat account. So when you click create Snapchat account, I'll demonstrate to you guys and show you guys how it look like. So you should have this page right here. Okay, so for literally business name, I suggest you to not put any names that you want to go with for Snapchat. Just put literally any. You can just put, mood 36 304, and then your username, this should pop out on your Snapchat. Your username should pop out for your username should be your Snapchat username. But for the business name is just for within the app when you're ready to run ads, just come over here and you should use that. The business name should pop up on the ads, any ads you make through Snapchat. So after that, you're gonna fill out this. I can't fill out this because I already have it. So you're gonna fill out this. When you're done, you should so basically when you're done, right, it should be like this right here, just like this. All right, just like this. Right now I don't want to use this because I already have a public account. So I'm just gonna go back here, and as you can see, this right here, it's my public profile, and this is how it look like. And you guys can change this anytime. You guys can put your website here. My website is honestly my Instagram, but you can put your business website here, and you can also add Snapchat story. Okay, you can also add a Snapchat story to your public profile story, and you can always delete it if you're not happy about how you customize your public profile for Snapchat. You can always come over here and click delete, and it should go away. And you will always have to to come over here and create a new one, and that the new one should be always on the Snapchat. I remind you guys to not create Snapchat within the app. Come over here and create over here so you can have the ability to have a public profile So that way people, when people add you, they're not adding you, they're subscribing to you instead of adding you. Okay. And other than that, on the side here, you should have a spotlight. Okay, I don't post a spotlight, so I don't have any gains, any views gains. Lens, of course, I make filter. You should see almost all my filter right here. Okay, some of them do good, some of them don't do bad. Totally does. Other than that, you guys should always you guys are always welcome to check this out. You guys should be able to post story, and you guys are allowed like to come over here. This is the type of story I've made for the last couple, for the last couple months, by the way. So other than that, this would be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and yeah, if you guys have any question relating about Snapchat public profile, let me know down in the comment, and I always I'll be